How did you learn how to do that?
Because I did do it.
What was your technique?
That's why that was my technique when I did pedals. And I make the wheels go round. Right?
Nice work. I'm very proud of you.
But I don't pedal on my Rachel's bike, but I pedal my bike.
I know, you gotta try again. On Matt and Rachel's bike next time.
Why don't get the quad are moving?
What a good boy.